to have supervision of you because this experiment is very dangerous. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Charlotte. Hi guys, and welcome back to Fun with Dida. Hi, I'm Miss Charlotte, and today we're gonna do a science lesson, as you can see, and the parents will be attending for this volcano eruption lesson. I just forgot what to say. Yeah, on for the video. Oh, oh, hi. Hi, Your Majesty. Oh, hi, Miss Charlotte. Hi. Are you ready to see an amazing experiment? Oh, wow. Indeed, indeed. Hi. Is it okay to get this on camera? Sure, yeah. Kids are going to have so much fun. It's going to be fun learning math and art. Now, I hope we get started with this video. But today, actually, parents have to be attending because it's a very dangerous experiment. Okay, children, come on. We're going to do the volcano experiment. Come on, let's bring the ingredients. Now, the first ingredients we need. Kids, are you excited? Yeah! Yes, we are! No, I'm not excited. Benjamin, one of a kind, okay? I hope you pay attention, Benjamin. Poopia to that, and I won't. Just to clarify. Okay, here are the ingredients. First thing, you need a plastic bottle. Look, if you have an empty bottle, like a drinking bottle, a juice bottle, just get a bottle. That's it. Any kind of bottle, even if it's not a doll size bottle. Okay, now we have this old stuff. That's what I want to say. And we have a glass of vinegar. I want to be careful of this thing. And we have food coloring. We have yellow, orange, and blue, and red. Okay, and now we have baking soda. On with the video. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna just step these aside. Kids, pay attention to the worst, horrible smell of the vinegar. It's very gross. Okay, look, I hope I didn't get goosebumps or something. Okay. How do I pop this into a bottle? Pop, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. It's not easy to remove from the hand. No, I have to pour even more the whole bottle so it can work mostly good. Kids, we can make the volcano orange by mixing glitter and what? We can do it by mixing red and yellow. But what can make purple? Red and blue. Okay, I want to do purple. What can make purple is red and blue. How about we make the whole entire thing? Okay, first I want to choose, which color do I love? Okay, first I'll choose yellow. I'll mix them all together, each color. Okay, first we're going to use the yellow because first when we put any light color, and then we put the doctor so it can be amazing. I hear my favorite movies. I hear my movie out there. Now I have to add as much as red as I can. Oh wait, it's not a volcano. That's enough red. Looks like it's gonna turn it. My face is gonna turn into a cherry. Okay, now we need the old stuff in this bad boy. Oh no! Don't pop at me. I'm fine. Oh my god. Woo! What's this experiment? It smells. Whoa! I love science! Sorry. That was amazing. That was awesome. I got a bit more spilled, but I can add this more. Just add some more. I don't care. I just need again. Oh my god. Let's fun? Yeah. Why can't we go in this stuff? I want to touch. No, Ryan! What, Mommy? Ryan, honey, don't do that. It's very contagious and it has baking soda and vinegar and you want to smell like a piece of poop, young man? Oh, yeah. I'm starting to blush. I'm getting embarrassed. And now, guys, look, thank you for watching this. Just try a drop. It's not going to work because we did it already 3 times. And it's just amazing. And I really hope you like this video. And follow me on Instagram. And make sure you like this video and give it a very big subscribe. And smash the thumbs up. Smash it, 2,000 likes. And now, bye. Make sure to watch all my videos of science. Bye.